this video, we're going to discuss the more granular pre-stage timers that we've introduced in the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.8 release. We had requests from customers that they would like to be able to specify a more precise time when setting these pre-stage timers, and we've included that in this release. In order to configure this, enter your auto scale menu and select one of the schedule-based options. And you can see that we've now included, as well as just a round hour figure, the ability to choose 15-minute increments. So it could be that 8:30 is actually our preferred start time, and we can save some resource costs by not pre-staging these resources until we actually require them. Similarly, you can specify similar timings for the end of working hours, again, to ensure that we are minimizing the costs associated with our environment and maximizing our savings, and while obviously making sure that we have resources available for users. Thank you for your time. I hope this video has been useful, and we'll see you again.